Once Newton was sitting under the tree and was thinking that why all the objects fall towards the earth or fall towards the downward. Now, and why all the planets revolve around the sun, and why does the sun, moon revolve around the earth. Then suddenly an apple falls on his head. Now that was the moment when he used his intellect and find the reason behind the attraction between the objects. Hello everyone. Welcome to channel Physics Spark, and the reason behind is gravitational force. So let's start with me today's topic, that is gravitation. Now this is the example of gravitation, that whenever you throw the ball in the upward direction, then due to gravitation it comes towards your hands, directly to your hands. And this is also example of gravitation because of the force of attraction between his hands and between the apple, the joker is able to play with these apples, or you can say with these balls. So now we define the gravitational force. The gravitational force is the force of attraction between any two non-zero mass objects separated by some distance. Clear? Now here one thing is that it is the force of attraction between those objects which has certain mass. Now massless objects cannot observe gravitational force, so it is a force of attraction. Now the big concept is that the tendency of bodies to move towards each other is called gravitation. Means whenever the two bodies move towards each other, then that is known as the gravitational force, or you can say gravitation. Now question arises, does the apple fall towards the earth, or earth move towards the apple, or do both move towards each other? To find the answer of this question, we have to revise our some basic concepts, that is based on the again Newton's laws of motion. Now we know that both earth and apple apply equal force to attract each other. Now question arises, if the forces are equal, then which will accelerate more, earth or apple? So, or we can say, why we cannot see the earth moving towards the apple, or why we see that the only apple move towards the earth? Now this can be explained on the basis of Newton's second law, which said that force is equal to mass into acceleration. So from here we can say that acceleration is equal to force divided by mass. That means acceleration is inversely proportional to mass. That means if mass is more, then acceleration will be less. And we know that mass of earth is very, very greater than mass of apple. So acceleration of earth is very, very less than acceleration of apple. That's why we cannot see the movement of earth. Clear? We cannot see movement of earth. Now this is suppose your apple and this is your earth. Now since mass of earth is very, very greater than this mass of apple, so we see only the motion of apple, not the motion of the earth. And this is the reason behind it, that only apple, we can see apple falling towards the earth, not the earth falling towards the apple. So the gravitational force is the force of attraction that holds you to the earth, that holds the moon in orbit around this earth, and that holds the earth in an orbit around the sun. Now here we have a big misconcept. The misconcept is that only earth and other planets have gravitational force. No, I have explained earlier that the gravitational force observed by all the bodies which has mass. So the main and you can say the necessary condition for the gravitational force to exist is the mass. Now this is the basic concept of the gravitational force. In our next video we will discuss about that how the two bodies attract each other, what is the relation between their masses, what is the relation between their distance, and that is known as Newton's universal law of gravitation, and why it is known as Newton's gravitation law. So if you like the video, please share it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.